Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of how to make Henry Stickmin the collection in Scratch. If you haven't watched part 1, you probably should. You won't know anything unless you watch part 1. Anyways, okay, we're back and we're going to be starting here. So, first things we're going to do is we're just going to duplicate this. It's pretty easy. We're going to have this equal to 2. Get rid of all this junk because no one likes this. But we're now going to have this equal to pick what and then 2. Then we're also going to remove these because no one likes them. Yay. So, otherwise, I'll make a new animation. So, I'll be right back after I do that. Okay, I finished my animation. So we're going to set this to instead this the first frame of the animation. Then for the rest of the frames, we're just going to use this. So there's 7 other frames. Now let's duplicate button 1. And then instead of saying picked to 1, picked to 2. So let's test our game. So now, obviously, there's another button. So just move it over here. Okay, now we're here. So we have our second button. So pretty sure it's this one. Click. It should, do the animation. Yeah. So back to, we're gonna stop this script now. So once it does it, stop. We're also gonna broadcast pick is over. Now, and I'll be back, and I'm just gonna reskin this button. So, peace. Okay, I'm back, and now I have a new button. Now we have punch. Eat and punch. We're just gonna switch this to pick. So, now, should have this. Punch. So once, and it'll also pull this. So if we set this to 1, I'm pretty sure it'll just have the same thing, but we can just do it over and over. So hit punch. We can punch again. Ah, golly, I love punching. Now if we set this to 2, nothing's gonna pop up. But we're not actually gonna fix that. So be right back in like a couple seconds. In 3, 2, 1. Oh wow, it did it. Great work. So if unless you have magic powers like me, just make them manually. Like me. Anyways, now let's do the same thing for this in 3, 2, 1. Oh, there it is. So now that we have our manually made costumes, if we go into the code, and if we duplicate this again, move this else, move this, put this right here, set this to 2. Now, look at this. We hit punch, punch. Also, we're going to set this to sprite costume 3 or costume 4. At least that's what I'm calling it. So now we have the opposite way. Okay, now it's normal. So sit it. Maybe just have a loop. Over. Over. Again. So now let's go to button 1. Now if we just duplicate this, set this to 2, this to 4, this to 3, And if we click it, obviously it's gonna do that. Problem was that we need to remove this hide stuff. Hide stuff in here. So we hit play, hit go, we hit eat it, we hit green flag, go, say punch, Ep2, tails. But sadly, I think I'm gonna have to end it today. It's a lot more shorter than last time. But goodbye, bananas.